scream, laugh, and create unforgettable memories with your friends, family, and also
Oh, kanila ma'am, kaya gamitan ang point
Pink, ikay, one.
kasi magsulong yun.
Oh, sagi. Okay, it's being pushed. Buting laksa? Ano yung andar man eh? Sir, atas ay. Nandito sa kanila man. Ano ni seatbelt? O ka lang kwa? Now we're riding what are we riding, Nathan?
Cloud Cruiser. It is basically a sky bike. An aerial bicycle.
Mubra ni siya? Di ba di kita maganda? Ha?
Yes, it's being moved using electricity.
So even if we don't pedal, it will
Yes, it will move at this part only. That means it would have to probably be pumped manually.
No, wag mo lagi ka nag-pedal. Galag tao sa reason mo.
Hindi na, oy. Safe here.
Tindak jud mo yan eh. Ah, okay. Hindi na kong pinta.
So you're scared? You feel like you would fall on a roller coaster that doesn't flip you over?
Ano yung nag-brick bike?
Someone is pedaling the bike on a zip line. Prism plunge to the right. Sky bike. Manual version to the left. Kilala ko mali ang isa ko.
Madlock ko. Taas gapon din sa boat.
Ay, pa sila permit na ng kuwan. Kurita ka, ulit niya.
Oh.
Naano sa data mo?
Oo. Kasi niya ang senior nga present one.
Viking is not yet operating. What is this?
That one is called a merry-go-round swing. There's something like that in Enchanted Kingdom in Santa Rosa, Laguna, and Glorious Fantasyland in Dapitan. That's called a merry-go-round swing. It seems only children are trying the bungee jump trampoline. And I haven't seen any grown-ups riding that little Ferris wheel below. The tower drop. This amusement ride already exists at Anjo World in Mindanilla. Panorama. It's also known as a disco ride. Because yes, Galactic Adventure. I think it's too expensive for most Filipinos. Similar to Anjo World, which jack up its unlimited rides from 550 to 800 pesos. So you don't feel comfortable being on rails in the air? This would be equivalent to a sky bike in Quezon City. I wish I could ride something like this in Quezon City.
Okay, nita. Stoy, stop na. Adlock ang dungay. Okay. Kahadlock sa height.
How many feet do you think this is off the ground? 10 feet? Is this 10 feet? How many feet is this off the ground?
6, 7.
6 to 7 feet off the ground?
7, 9 day. Ang 9 day, ma'am.
9 feet. So if this were a sugat pulley, you would be hung up close to the highest point. My mother gets to feel like a hanging angel again. If you are new to my acrobatic channel, just hit the subscribe button for free.